Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our usual analysis for gold, see what's happening in the market. And let me share my screen with you. Let's start with the Forex Trading first of all and see what's happening. On the 11th of October, news, 1:30 p.m. core PPI, MM and PPI MM, and then 7 p.m. FOMC meeting. This is a USD heavy impact news. That's what I'm generally interested in. And the rest of the day, we got some medium impact different pairs, and Chinese yuan, one medium impact at 9:15 a.m. All these times are UK times. Right. Okay. Let's go to the chart. What's happening in the chart? Interesting situation as always. If you know your levels, you are doing great, and you can do great. In fact, if you know your levels and how to manage the risk, how to manage the trade, and where to exit, where to enter, levels give you very good information. Look at here what happened. The level was broken, you took a buy trade, and look, went here, open for the Asian session around here, and then you got this Asian high, this Asian low, this was broken, liquidity sweep, and also there's a level here as well, and buy from here, and you had good profit. Look, this was a level this was a rejection level here, and you made good profit, hopefully. So from here, 1854 say, and we have 1862, about 80 pips, and I'm sure you probably got 50 pips. And why not? Because it's a straightforward trade. What next? That was just 1 hour, guys. And if you go to smaller time frames, you can see that there was this was a trading opportunity as well here, especially at the double bottom here. You take some pips here as well. Okay, and this was opportunity here from this level to this level. Now let me remove this Asian low and Asian high. We don't need to be looking for. And now going to USDX, which is Dixie. And the 4 hour chart, I'm definitely expecting market to come back here again. And I'm expecting the gold to move to the upside, especially when the Dixie moves to the downside. And this level market may come to this level and then to the upside. You can see the whole story here. What's happening? Expecting to move to the upside. Some people call it giving star, probably doji, whatever, rejection candle, or some people call unseen candle. But let's see. Sometimes these don't work. So I'll don't in smaller time frame 4 hours, you can see we can easily move to the upside from here. Remember the level colors. Red is for monthly, and orange is for weekly, and yellow is for daily, and blue is for hedge for hour, and the green color is just for 1 hour and any other less to mark the Asian sessions. So higher the time frame level, higher the stronger it will be, and if it breaks, you possibly get more pips. That's the whole idea behind using these colors, different colors for different levels. I hope this is helpful, and I leave it to you. Now, I hope you have a good trading day. I wish you all the best. Thank you. Bye-bye.